Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of board type option not appearing on your Agile board. Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps in detail, I mean step by step everything, so it will be clear for you and I hope you could understand it at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to create a brand new project. Sorry about that. And I'm going to name it Agile Board Testing. Okay, so I'm gonna make it public and of course enable the Agile module and Agile backlog. So I exclude the contacts and invoices because I do not need them now. So I create this new project and go to issue categories. Yeah, here nothing to do actually. Issue tracking, and I put some trackers on so I could create an issue. Okay, so I go to the issues and just create some testing issue, test issue number 1. Okay, so I create it. Okay, there is some checklist that is required field. Okay, so I got an issue now. So I go to Agile board and I have the issue here. And if I expand the options, actually here at this place should be a board type. So in this board type, you could select Kanban board or Scrum board. So you have to select between these two types of boards. So the thing is that the option of board type is not appearing at all. So it is just vanished and it is missing. So the point is how to fix this problem. It is very easy. You have to just create a sprint for this project and about Agile, and the problem will be solved for you. So for this purpose, you have to go to settings here on the project, and then you'll see sprints. So the sprints tab. Currently, there is no sprint here available. So we click on new sprint and write it, for example, sprint number 1, and put some duration. So I need start date, end date. So okay, I create this new sprint, and when I return back to the Agile board, I see that if I expand the options and here we see the board type. Board type, I could select between Kanban board and Scrum board. So yeah, the options here are now available. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and if you wish, you could check some articles from our site. Also, if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience that you have for watching this video, and bye bye for now.